Gulay na papaya with dube-dube. Ang bangon niya is sardines. And of course, spicy. Chili. Sabi spicy guys. Gulay na papaya with dube-dube. Ayan na guys, ang aking gulay na papaya with dube-dube. Bangon niya is sardines. Kain. Spicy yan guys, spicy. Ito na guys, ang aking gulay na papaya with lube-lube. Ayan, ang sarap niya, no? Spicy gulay. Sarap ha, kita. Bangot niya is sardines. Sarap kain.